Here we are, BimmerFest 2026 here in the Netherlands. So we are just on setup day now. So our stand is just down there. We're going to show you that in the next clip. We're going to do a few laps around this circuit before all the cars start coming in. So we're going to be going around the show. We're going to be showing everybody what cars are here, the show cars, the show and shine, everything else that BimmerFest has got to offer. So enjoy the video and we'll see you at the end. Okay, so this is it. The show's just started now. So this is our stand. You're going to see loads of pictures of that. We're just going to have a little walk around, see some good builds, see some bad builds, and then, yeah, enjoy. This is a very tragic G90 sellotape splitter. So this time last year, all of this was full. So I don't know if they've been regulating it a little bit more, if they've been controlling it a bit more, but yeah, it's a little bit quiet at the minute, which is good for videoing. So look at that. So far my favourite build is this G99. Look at that bad boy. If you can hear me. So show and shine. So all the cars are going to be going in there. Or all the competitive or competing cars are going to be going in there. So it'll be interesting to see who wins this year. Not sure about this. Come and have a look. That's questionable. PSR boys. So we're not here with PSR this year. We're on our own stand, as you can see, but yeah, another impressive stand from them lads. Looking good. Got a glider up there. Look. I hope he don't run out of steam. Hey, come on, that's ridiculous. So this is just chrome gone mad. Look at that. Back in the day with the E46, with everybody wanted the chrome slats in the grills. Different but good. Cheers, Jeff. Decent stand from Iback this year. That's good. So chrome wheels seem to do a thing, but it's what Mike was on about, isn't it? So they're now putting the part number on the outside of the wheel. It's all something to do with the TUV. Just ruins the wheel, doesn't it? Yeah, you know. Yeah, here as well, look. That just spoils the wheel, doesn't it? So do you remember last year I said if you were into BMW compact drifting, come back for BimmerFest 2026? There it is. Now, we are experts in our field, however, why would the fuck would you bring your car to a car show looking like that? I mean, I love customers like this because they always come back for more, but this one, he's not gone back for more. It's horrendous. Dinner plate. Yeah. I'm no expert, but I think something's gone wrong there. So, a good example of carbon fibre. So, if you look at this carbon fibre here, that's not bad quality carbon fibre. And then you look at this one. Look at that. Look at the discoloration. And this is the difference between getting what you pay for and going cheap Alibaba crap, and that is exactly what that is. Same here, just look at that, it's all wavy, horrendous. And then look at this, it's a lovely M2, but fuck me. Yeah, it's tragic, too big. So this is a nice example. So AC Schnitzer, don't think this is, but we sell all of these products. So for AC Schnitzer, anything that you need, give us a shout. But yeah, come and have a look. Come look at the front. It's got the AC Schnitzer tips. Yeah, it's nice. I don't think I would have drilled holes in the bumper, but yeah, it's nice. It's good, isn't it? Now, I get a lot of controversy with these videos. It's like, why are you taking piss out of people's cars? I'm not really doing it to take the piss out of people's cars, but that is just why. What's going on there? What a beautiful car that's just been ruined. Yeah, aftermarket ones, so they fail after a while then. But it's an M4, it's a G82, but he's just ruined it. I'm not sure if these are genuine, but just look how tiny these are. Like little pea shooters, aren't they? Oh. So what you've got coming towards you now is my exhaust is bigger than your exhaust. I can rev my car louder than you can rev yours. They're all just flying up behind each other. So we're going to have a crash. Oh, yeah, he nearly hit him. So everything about the flag and about the number plate is actually really true. Look at the headlight. That's bad. That's bad. I know you're like a piss take, and we do take piss out of people's cars, but when we see a nice one, I like to point it out. Come and have a look at this one. So gloss black splitter, we do that. Gloss black grille, we do that. Gloss black ducts, we do them. Everything is on our website, you can buy. This is a beautiful example of an M3 Touring. Yeah, he's kept it gloss black, even on the corners as well. although not heavily modified, I quite like that. Pretty striking. Good. Dinner plate. Oh, a bigger one. Big. It's just at the right level as well. Knife and fork. Yes. X5M. Sao Paulo Yellow M2. Let me know what you think of this one in the comments. Nice. That is like full carbon at the front. Nothing on the sides though. It's got the grill tips on it. Yeah, let me know what you think in the comments. Now, if you've ever been to Japan, you know what a louvre is. This has got louvres. Come and see. Louvres. So, dark green, brown interior. This is Isaac's spec. He likes all this sort of stuff. BBS wheels. Now, Isaac likes the interior. I, however, do not. And I'm the old man. But yeah, it's a nice car. Looks good. This is a statement. Look at this. Silver, stone guard, gloss black grille. Does it work? Let me know in the comments. What do you think to this colour? Is it a factory colour? I think it is a factory colour. Oh look, Isaac, it's got your interior. M60i. That needs some of our black badges. But, what a statement. Oh, this is a beast. X7. Look at this. That is a beast. Holy shit. Absolutely massive. Fucking, it's like for exhaust or something, for the tow bar or something, isn't it? Now look at this, my favourite colour. I am taking the piss. M4 CSL. So much money in these. And such little interior. Not for me. So nice G45. Sorry about the noise in the background. Nice G45. We do full kits for these in gloss black now. They're going to be going on the website next week. So we do the rear diffuser. It's a nice M51. So we do the rear diffuser, side extensions, front splitter, roof spoiler, mirror caps if it doesn't have it, which this one does, black badges. Yep, do it all. So that is it for BimmerFest 2026. So we are going to be back in 2027. We're going to go break down the stand now. Hope you've enjoyed the video. There's definitely going to be another one next year. We'll see you for 27.